Hello people, welcome back to the YouTube. I am going to carry on from the last vlog. I just got my feedback from Joe. I've not watched it yet, so this is your live reaction. Oh, that's a bit washed out, isn't it? Let me just step back out of the light a bit. We're going to find out what's going on. I don't even know. This is the check-in that I'm most unsure of what he's going to say, based on what I told you in the last episode. So let's see. Let's sit down and see.
Morning, mate. Thank you for the update. I hope you're having a great day, my man. I'm not too stressed about the weight. Do not worry, my friend. On that note, honestly, man, these check-ins recently have been fascinating, and especially this check-in is extremely fascinating for me. It's pretty much static with moderate fluctuation through here, and you are adhering, you know, and I know that you're adhering. Because the fascinating thing, I'm sorry I'm overusing that word, is on these visuals, again, condition has come in each set of shots that you've sent me through over the past few days. So we go back here to the 16th, condition on the abs and the quads, but also fullness through the quads on the top line, and then that ticks forward to the 17th here. When we give you an opportunity to be at or slightly above maintenance for at least 24 hours. I think 48 hours is most appropriate here. 3 days would be a little bit of an extended push for us to not really offer us a great deal of benefit over that, to see if you do start to really come down the other side. So anyway, we've got quite a few things coming at you today to be the multi-pronged mechanism of remedying those inputs, essentially. So I would like you to deload here, and I would like 4 days of full rest.
Oh, wow.
And then I'd like us to assess where you are at that point and decide whether we move on from there.
Right, there we go. To summarise, conditions dropped in a lot. We've not seen weight move as we'd expect it to, but it's almost certainly going to follow, given where conditions gone. There's a lot of changes going in this week. So I've got 4 days off training from tomorrow. So I'm going to go and do legs now, and then I have 4 days off of resistance training. I also have 4 days of cardio, which I think is brilliant because my legs have been feeling pretty wrecked over the last few days. So 4 days of training, 4 days of cardio. Within that 4 days, 2 refeed days, but then we go to low days. So my calories have been 2,430 this week, or 70. Then now I'm going to go to 2,040, so 2,040, which is pretty damn low. So I'll look forward to getting stuck into that next week. But yeah, that's good. I'm happy with that. I'm excited to see a shift. We're under 8 weeks out now. Like, I can't be messing around. We've got conditions getting, we've got body weight to get off. Let's get stuck into it. So I'm excited to get locked in, and I'm even more excited to refeed tomorrow and Friday. That will be bellissimo. All right, time for deadlifts and leg press, and to go send it one last time before we have a couple of refeed days. Feed's feeling pretty good. I've been maintaining 220 on straight legs for basically the whole of prep. Been trying to get gradually better at executing it, which I feel quite the master of now, which is good. But really the aim in prep obviously is, at this point at least, I'm not really looking, to say I'm not looking for progressions is wrong. I will always try for progressions, but I'm not disheartened if they don't come. We want to maintain as best as possible here. Maintain reps, maintain load most importantly, and therefore by maintaining load with good quality reps, we're going to maintain mechanical tension, and if we can keep that up, we're going to hold on to the tissue we've got. I mean, I have zero evidence to suggest that my tissue's going anywhere given how body weight's moving. But yeah, fatigue has settled in over this last definitely 5 days. Since that last leg session, things have got a bit sticky. So today, if I can get in and get out with no regressions, I'm happy. I lost 1 rep on the seated leg curl on the top set, and then matched on the back off. I'm fairly confident I'll match this, so I've got to get 6 at least. So let's see how we go. good set, solid set, happy with that. 220 for 6. I've seen 220 for 7 in prep, but not for a while. And I think 7 was probably there. I really wanted to grind it out, but it really is not worth it. It's really, really not worth it. Those are the reps that we know probably are not taking us that much closer to progression, but they are ones that are more than likely going to cause a big recovery deficit, and B, potential injury. And with me having had historically a pretty glass back, even shifting that load with good form is great for me, so happy to leave it at 6. And it was 6 last week, so that's not a regression on last week. And I have 2 sets on leg extension. I've done 1, progressed that 1 rep. And I'm going to go into 1 set of integrated partial leg press, which is probably the hardest thing I do all week, particularly given that it comes 2 exercises after straight leg deadlifts. So across the space of two movements on this day, I'm shifting the most tin I do all week. But 21 sets, so it's all good. So I'll get these leg extension sets done, and then we'll run integrated partial leg press, seduction, and then it's on time. So those pesky scales, which have been the bane of my mornings for the last few weeks. 117.9 this morning, which is 0.8 up from my lowest. So we're not far off. We're not far off as we go into these next few days. Now I've negotiated with Joe slightly. So we're going to have 4 days off cardio, that's set in stone. So no cardio from today, which is Thursday, until Monday. Refeed day today, tomorrow. So Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday, Sunday I'm going to go to those low calories that you saw, so 2040, ouch. And then with training, whilst I'm sure he wanted it all to coincide, we actually go away on Sunday to Turkey, for a wedding, for a week or 6 days. So I kind of said to him, shall I not just do my sessions here whilst I've got a good gym, and then when we're not quite sure what the setup's going to be next week, I can do my deload then. So I'm going to do a tapered deload, which you may or may not have heard of before. That's where you do kind of 2 sessions or a few sessions that taper you into a deload. So rather than just going, right, no gym, we go into a couple of less intense sessions where we leave a couple of reps in reserve, reduce the total volume, begin that, fatigue reducing process, and then have days off. So I'll have 2 kind of reduced sessions here, so upper and then lower on Friday, Saturday. And then next week I'll have 4 days off, which means I'll only have to do 1 or 2 sessions in Turkey, and then we come back, Turkey, and then we come back to Dubai. So that is the plan. But for now, 20 minutes more imposing, which has been very difficult, but incredibly valuable for me. My posing confidence, my posing conditioning has come up so much already, so I'm very, very happy with that, even after just 2 weeks of nailing it every single day. Surprise, surprise, it works when you practice it. Refeed day, but we started the day the same. There's no cardio today, so I've literally done like 4,500 steps. We're now going to go get a coffee. We're going to have a nice leisurely morning, go get a coffee, and stop off at the most expensive shop in the world, Spinners, to stock up for what I need today, which I don't have pineapple and I don't have potato, so I need those 2 things. I'll order red potatoes. Yeah.
Oh, there.
Sweet potatoes. 3 kilo drinks here as well.
Did you like that one? I got it for you. No?
It was nice as that to try it. We had a birthday cake kind of pop. It was nice to like have the experience, but I wouldn't have it again. Got one of these. Need some water. I've got carrots, I've got pineapple, I've got courgette. See what I mean? Oh, we ran out of foil. See, there's always a reason to come to these shops. This is the thing we love to see, though. Kosher dill spears. Nutrition facts. 1 serving. How many calories? 0. Well, that's going straight in my basket. There's some pickled ginger for your salad. You didn't like it, do you? I cannot wait to eat so much food today. I've planned it all out. We are good to go. 3859, 260 protein, 600 carb, 45 fat. Let's get it, baby. Meal 1 going in. So 360 egg whites, 50 tomato, 25 scallions or spring onions, some salad, a couple of you know me, a couple of pickled cucumbers, 100 mushrooms, and then I've got some cream of rice and oats in the freezer right now. So that is meal 1, alongside 250 grams of blueberries, 750 calories, 56 protein, 117 carb, and 8 grams of fat. I'm a happy man. Rolling. I should not have drank that before I started talking. Day 2 refeed. We are coming to the end of this 48-hour feeding session. I've just done upper and taken some photos post-workout, which I think we'll snap these up on the screen now because I'm pretty happy with them actually. For all my woes over the last few days and weeks, like, condition is definitely improving. So it is now just a case of body weight, which I think I kind of covered yesterday, but it's nice for me to see it coming in. Glutes are coming in now. Hammies, the work is starting to show, which I'm really happy with. Alas, after 1 day of refeed at 600 gram of carb for 120 kilo male, I'm back to 120 kilos. So 2 kilos up. It is what it is, we just follow the orders. But I will get back to diet tomorrow on the changes that you know. And I'm going to take my wife out for a little date night today because prep's taking its toll. It's difficult. It's difficult out here living with me. I'm a horrible guy. No, I'm alright, but we need some quality time, so we'll leave the camera and the phone at home. Well, we'll leave the camera at home. Maybe we'll get some B-roll on the camera on the phone. But we go to Turkey on Sunday, so we need to go buy some clothes, basically. And then I think go for some shisha. You like the sound of that? Shisha, a bit of tea. Good quality time. This is important. We need to preserve this. But yeah, I'm feeling alright. I will be ready after I've eaten all these meals to get back to my diet, to be honest. As savage as it's looking tomorrow, I know I can do it. We can dig in and get it done. And hopefully with consecutive days at 2,040 calories with a deload, we'll see weight drop off a cliff, so it remains to be seen. But we are, I think at the moment we're coming up to 7 weeks out, so the clock is ticking. The clock is ticking.